We'll guide you through how to make a collage in Word. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So you've got some pictures that you want to make into a collage using Word. To go and get started, you need to go to the top and go and click on Insert. Come into the illustration section here and you need to go and click on SmartArt. You'll get this pop up. Come over to the left and go and select Picture. Scroll down and you can go and choose a design. I'll go and use the hexagon option. I'll select it and press OK. So you can then customize the text and click on the pictures to go and start adding them. I'll go and click on this one here. I can choose a file and I'll choose this image and press Insert. To go and add more, you can go and select it and then press Ctrl C and Ctrl V to paste it. And it'll then go and add it. Select one of them and you can press the delete key on your keyboard to remove the image, and you can click on the picture icon and go and add another. You go and get the idea. You can also go and change the text as well. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.